Nah, okay. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Jessie Lessie, and today, before we even get into the video, I just want to say we are finally at 1K. I appreciate I can't even talk. I'm not excited, but I appreciate all of y'all for subscribing. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and become a part of the family. I promise you'll love it here. Yeah. So as y'all see by the title, today I'm going to be doing an Amazon wig review, and with the review I'm going to show you guys like how I actually style the wig and all the things that come along with what I'm about to talk to y'all about. So I got this wig off of Amazon for my birthday. It was gifted to me by one of my friends. It is a closure wig. This is what it looks like right now. It is a closure curly wig, and she bleached the knots for me as well. How cute she is. So the knots are bleached, and it has not the rain cutting up. Anyways, so it has 4 combs in there. If you're interested, I lied. Is it 5? Yeah, it's 5 combs. And then they have the adjustable straps, as you guys can see here, so that you can make it like bigger or smaller on your head. I would say that when you style this wig correctly, there is little to no frizz, and there is some shedding, but I guess with all curly hair I feel like there's shedding. I don't know, but I'm gonna put the wig on my head and I'm gonna style it for you guys so you guys can see and we can talk a little bit more. I am gonna put the wig on off camera because the meeks are just not together right now, so y'all can't see that. Sorry. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like, and I have a confession, y'all. I really do be slapping these wigs on my head. I do not be gluing them down. I hate having all that glue on my head. The cap thing takes too long for me. I just don't have the patience. But if I was gonna install the glue, if I was gonna install the wig, I would use the Ghost Bond glue, and then I would use the free spray. And if you guys are looking for a more in-detailed video on how I actually install wigs, then y'all can comment down below and let me know, and I will do one for y'all, but that's not what we're doing right now. So this is what the wig looks like without any styling and any product to it right now. And again, like, this is fine. I would probably wear it just like this because I like the kind of like puffy kind of curly look going with it, but I am gonna style it so you guys can see. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to part it to the side. I just don't usually wear my hair in the middle part, so that's why I'm moving it over to the side. So this is where we're at. I'm gonna take my spray bottle with water, and I'm adding the water to my hair, and I'm just rubbing it in as I go. And you already see the curl pattern changing. And again, I really like the curl of this wig. I feel like it goes nice with a lot of outfits, especially now since it's summertime. I don't know, it's a short curly hair for me. But you want to kind of do it section by section, as if you were doing your natural hair. So you can finger detangle as you go, but we are going to go in with the comb after, so you don't have to worry too much about that. Right now you just want to saturate the hair, and you want to make sure you're paying a lot of attention to the back, because sometimes I feel like you neglect the back. I hope the rain is not louder than me. I'm gonna try to talk louder so y'all can hear me. But as of right now, this is basically what it looks like wet. Again, this is just water, no product. And then this is what it looks like dry. A little bit more puffy, but still a similar type of curl. And now I'm just gonna go and do the other side. Again, you don't want to go to the back. You want to make sure you put as much water as you put in the back and the front. And you want to massage the water in as you go. Now this is what I'm talking about with like shedding. Like, it's not a lot. Can y'all see? Yeah, it's not a lot, but there definitely is some. So I'm not even gonna lie to y'all and be like there's no shedding. As far as the hair, though, I think it's very easy to maintain. As soon as you add water to it, I feel like the curls are coming back. They're pretty defined, and I just took the wig like off of my dresser, so it's been sitting there dry, and you know, it's not like knotted and hard to deal with. So I definitely would think that, you know, like this is not a bad quality wig for something that we got off Amazon. And I do think that this hair holds moisture really well because the water is just sitting in the hair and it didn't get dry yet. And I like that because we're not done styling. Maybe I do need the comb right about now because maybe the finger detangling is not working. But hair is wet and it's holding the water well. And it's not too messy where it's like dripping down, like it's holding, the hair is holding the water. All right, so now that the majority of the hair is wet and pretty much finger detangled, I am gonna go in first with my wide tooth comb, and I am just gonna comb the ends, making sure that I've smoothed out all of the kinks. Again, you don't want to neglect the back, so you do want to make sure you're doing the back, and then you're going to move on to the other side. Okay, so now that that's done, I am just gonna go in with my diamond brush and I'm gonna go root to tip and see how I'm getting stuck. So I need to comb out the end a little bit more. I don't know if there's a knot there. No. Are we back in business yet? No. There is a knot, or am I lying? Okay, I think I did it. All right, so I'm gonna go root to tip. You see those curls? Oh, anyways, maybe that's OD. But you are gonna go root to tip, and don't forget to comb the top because you don't want everything else to be curly and that to be like fuzzy or not combed down or whatever. You want to make sure that you're going root to tip and finger detangling on your way. And again, you want to comb it in the way that you're going to style it. So this is the side part. I'm just combing it down and then combing all the hairs to the back. Okay. So this is where we're at right now with the curly hair, and if this is the look that you're looking to achieve, then this is fine, but you want to ensure that it's going to stay like this if you are going out. And I'm gonna show y'all how in order to maintain this like wet curly look, I am gonna go in with my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. And y'all know this leave-in conditioner is my holy grail. This is the one that I literally swear by for natural hair and for my wigs. And yes, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna just rub my palms together, and I am just going to rub the Shea Moisture down through my hair. And this curly hair does, like I said, take product very well. I put the Shea Moisture in there. It didn't flake up. It didn't get hard. It didn't do anything like that. So I do use a little bit. You don't want too much because you don't want to weigh the hair down. But you just kind of want to define the curls as if you would do like with your natural hair. Now, one thing I would say, this curly hair is not like your natural hair, as if like these white portions are just not going to dissolve. So you really do have to like rub them in. and you want to make sure that you're going through and your finger detangling. You want your hair to be smooth, and you want to rub all the product in. Like I said, I gotta lean in the light so I can see, but that should pretty much be good. And then any excess, you just want to rub it through with your hands, making sure that you smooth out all the kinks. So now that you've rubbed all the products in, you want to go in and you want to do like a scrunching motion, and that really gives the curls like the definition that we're looking for to keep with like the wet look. And the last step here that I'm going to go in and I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some mousse. So this is mousse from my local beauty supply store. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand. You know, mousse does that puff up thing. So about this much. And I'm gonna rub my hands together again. And you are gonna go root to tip. And while you're going root to tip, I would say that you're gonna continue the scrunching motion. So you're gonna go, you're gonna put it again, make sure you're not neglecting the back, and you just wanna go in and you wanna scrunch. You wanna rub it in, and you wanna scrunch. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. And you're gonna do the same on the other side. Oh, it's the curls for me. Giving y'all a texture shot of the wig. And even with all of these products in there, the hair is still very lightweight, very smooth. You can still run your hand through it with no kinks, nothing else. The hair is going to be good to you if you're good to it. I would just say you take care of it and the hair really will do you well. So all in all, I love this wig. This is like my go-to curly hair. I do have another one. It is a little longer, but for summer, you know, you don't want anything on your back because I be busting a sweat, boy. So you need something nice and short. This is just about shoulder length. When it's wet and curly, it's about like just about shoulder length. I would say maybe a little longer than my shoulder. And then when it does start to dry up, it'll probably come just above my shoulder. But again, it's pretty much true to length, I would say. I think this is 12 inches, and this is what 12 inches looks like on me. And yeah. The Amazon hair knows what's happening. Y'all don't gotta go spend, you know, I don't want to tell you your pockets or anything, but you don't want to go spend $600 on a wig when you get yourself a nice little wig from Amazon, style it accordingly, and it looks just as good. Has a lot of shine, curls have a lot of bounce, and the hair is full. I would say once it starts to dry a little bit more, you guys are gonna see what I mean, but you guys saw when it was dry with no products in it in the beginning, and it was pretty full, so pretty dense. You don't really have a problem with it looking thin or anything like that. And if you install this wig really well, like if you're not lazy like me and you get your baby hairs going and you know you get your glue and you really melt it down, who's telling you this is not coming out your scalp? Nobody. Nobody, because this is really, really nice curly hair. I'm gonna drop all the information down below in the description box, and I am also going to attach the link if you guys are interested in getting this wig. We are just gonna sit here, I guess, and wait until the wig is dry, and I'm gonna come back and end out this video for y'all. End out this video. It sounded like I said edit. Hey guys, it's been about 15 minutes and my hair is all dry now, and y'all can't even tell the difference because this is the wet look. As y'all can see, my hair still pretty much looks wet, but it's not. Still very soft, bouncy, easy to move around. And I don't know, this side is my favorite, the texture. So I do want to say thank you guys again for subscribing. What I do want to let y'all know is on this channel, we are going to make mistakes, but the most important thing is we are going to try. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Thank you for clicking on my video. Again, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what else you guys are interested in seeing. If you guys want that wig install tutorial, beginner friendly, because I've never done it before, y'all let me know. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!